Previously on Chill Bros.
Alright, man, the kickback's gonna be so tight.
But what about the cups?
Hey, what's up?
What's going on, ladies?
Hey, sick jersey.
Thanks, it's my mom's.
Heard you guys are having a kickback.
For sure?
For sure.
Is it okay if I bring my boyfriend?
Yeah, that'd be sick.
For sure.
For sure.
Dude, I thought we said no randos. He's probably not even from Apple Valley.
Dude, I panicked. I didn't know what to do. Straight up not having a good time right now.
You're telling me the rando's stressing me out, the kickback's in an hour, and these cables been looking at me right in the eye for 3 weeks. I'm gonna knock that fool. Hold me back. Dude, pull me back, dog.
Dude.
Pull me back.
Get him. Come on, get him.
Hey yo, Slade Daddy's spitting truth right here.
Oh, dude, that thing is tight.
Oh, add to cart.
Kickback save, dude. All right, fire it up. This kickback's ruined. Dude with pleats sitting on our child's lounge.
Yeah, I hate randos. This guy's so flat.
For sure.
For sure.
Man, nice setup.
Yeah, no cords dangling or anything.
For sure?
For sure.
Kickback saved.
Hey, I'm getting a call. How many? Yo, can 10 of my friends come to the kickback?
Dude, we're so back. Well, wait. What about the music videos?
Oh, maybe we can have the kickback outside.